Hello, lovely people. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Today, we want to teach you some effective remedy for flat tummy and high cholesterol. The herb that you are seeing on the screen is what we call the Cassia alata. Some people also call it the Senna alata. It is a very common herb because we use it to treat a lot of problems like ringworm and stuff. So if you ask your neighbors about the herb that is commonly used to treat ringworm, they can easily tell you. We also use it to treat hepatitis and stuff. So it is a very common herb. When you come to Ghana, some people call it the sempe, others call it simpi. When you go to Nigeria, the Nigerians, some of them call it the asuwon oyimbo. So if you ask them, they can easily give you this herb. If you tell them that the herb that if you have constipation, when you boil and drink, it will clean your body, they can easily give you this particular herb. It bears some yellow flowers, and that is what I've put on the screen. You can see that it bears some yellow flowers, as you can see on the screen. So you can easily get this particular herb if you ask your neighbors around. Just tell them that you need simpe. Sometimes too, it is even sold on the market because it is a very useful herb. So if you go to the herb sellers and then you tell them you need simpe or asuwon oyimbo, if you are in Nigeria, they can easily give you this particular herb that I'm talking about. So if you want flat tummy, all that you are supposed to do is that you get enough quantity of this particular herb. Just go and then pluck as much as you can, 2 sacks or any quantity at all that you think that you can carry. Just pluck as much as you can and then you take it home. So when you reach home, just ensure that you pluck all the leaves from the leaf stalk, the main leaf stalk. You pluck all the small leaves from it and then you wash it very well. You wash it with salt water to kill all germs that is present on it. So after washing it nicely, what you do is that you now dry it in the sun. Please, you are going to dry it in the sun for about 5 days or 6 days, depending on the atmospheric temperature. So after drying it, you now pound it in a mortar with a pestle. You pound it very well into a powder. This one, if you are able to dry it very well, pounding it will not be very difficult for you. So when you pound it, it will turn into a fine powder for you. And then after getting that powder, the next thing you are supposed to do is that you sieve it very well. You sieve the powder very well. And then you now take a container. So please, the container, to ensure that it is very clean, free from all impurities and dirt and water especially. Please, this powder that you have prepared, make sure that no water touches it, else it will spoil in no time. So please kindly ensure that you clean the container very well, and then where you are going to keep it to, no water will touch it or no insect will enter it. So after doing this particular powder and then keeping it in the container, the next thing to do is that every morning when you wake up, after eating your breakfast, you now add 2 spoons of the powder to warm water and then you drink in the morning. In the evening too, before you sleep, about 30 minutes before you sleep, you also add 2 spoons of it to warm water and drink. Please, this is for both male and female. But please, if you have just given birth, stay away from this one until you are able to breastfeed your child and then wean the child off the breast before you do this. So if your child is now old and then you think that you are not breastfeeding the child again, that is when you can also do this particular remedy. But please, this is not for children who are very young, like 5 years or so. If you have a child and then you think that you want to make sure that the child also benefits from this, so you want to use it on a child, no. But if the child has ringworm or any other problem, you can do that. This one, if you take too much, too, you have runny stomach. So please kindly ensure that you notice this. If you also have constipation and you regularly take this one, it is going to work for you. So if you take 2 spoons in warm water twice daily, it is going to burn all the belly fat for you, and then you have your flat tummy that you desire. This is very, 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 very effective. So please kindly do it. And then when you are doing it, to make sure that you eat good foods. Don't be taking too much fatty foods and then be eating late at night and then expect the medicine to work very fast for you. Else, it will take so many months before you see the results. But if you are eating healthy all the time, and then you also ensure that you take this medicine as I've prescribed here, it is going to work for you. I also have already prepared one for sale. So if you need some, just contact the Remedies on Facebook, or you WhatsApp the number that I've posted under the screen. If you are also outside Ghana and then you need some, you can also buy some from Amazon with the link that I've provided. Please kindly ensure that you use the link that I've provided under the video to buy the powder, because we have a lot of cassia alata and then senna alata, different types on Amazon. So you may buy the wrong one and then you say that it does not work. So please kindly ensure that you use the link that I've provided under the video to buy the medicine. This particular herb has so many uses. We shall talk about how to use it for hepatitis and stuff later on. So please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly ensure that you subscribe to the channel, because I will take this particular herb and then talk about all the uses of it for you to also benefit from it. Thank you very much for watching the video. Kindly follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Telegram, and all social media platforms. Thank you very much. Bye.
Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and then the notification button. Thank you very much.